Now, this is one question which is not very clearly discussed here. So this question was on the viscoelastic substances. So basically what I am seeing that they are going, one step further in each and every exam related to the cataract surgery. And now definitely we will have to see that how much cataract we will have to teach, because every time they are asking one thing extra related to the cataract. But okay, so what is true related to the viscoelastic substances which are used in the cataract surgery? So if I go with the diagnosis of exclusion, suppose you are not very clear with the answer, go with the option number D, SF6 and perfluorine. So these are actually used in the retinal detachment. If you remember, we are also using the SF6 gas or the silicone oil. These things are used for the internal tamponade, right? This you already know, you can easily rule out. And these are given for 3 months, and even the silicone oil can also cause the inverse hypopion. It can also cause the inverse hypopion. So definitely we know that this is not the answer. Then option number C, corneal epithelium is damaged. Now, if they are used in the cataract surgery, obviously we will not be damaging the corneal epithelium, and it is rather they are protecting. They are protecting the corneal endothelium. So they are made in such a way that because we are injecting in the anterior chamber, they will remain in contact with the inner layers of the cornea, and therefore we are making them in such a way that they are not toxic. They are rather protective to the layers of cornea. They can be left in the eye because it is inert. Now this is partially correct, it is inert, okay, but they cannot be left in the eye. They are just the substitutes which are used to maintain the anterior chamber, right? And for the for the coating of the IOL, so that we can, when we are doing the IOL entry, we can use them for maintenance of this anterior chamber. At the time of capsulorhexis we can use, for the coating of IOLs we can use. So the best option out of the four is the A option, maintenance of the anterior chamber and the capsulorhexis IOLs that time we can use. And what are the things that we can use here? Like we can use the sodium hyaluronate, we can use, or we can use the chondroitin sulfate we can use as a viscoelastic substance. This can also be used. Or we can use the methyl cellulose. This can also be used. Or we can also use the hypermellose. These are the different things which can be used as the viscoelastic substances.